Hello friends, welcome to Mahi Tech Support. Because of Corona, all the teachers are using technologies to teach lessons, to give classworks and to receive classworks. All the teachers giving assignments to the students in online only. Teachers asking them to submit assignments in Google Classroom. For the students, I am preparing this video. In this video, I am going to tell you about how to submit your assignment or classwork or any work given by your teacher in Google Classroom. If you did not join Google Classroom till now, ask your teacher to get the Google Classroom joining link. After getting the link, follow the steps displayed in this video. Let us move to the computer screen. First, I will show you in computer how to upload the assignment in Google Classroom. If you have already joined the Google Classroom, then please wait for some time up to completion of the joining steps. Friends, don't skip this video. See this video up to end, otherwise you will get confusion on this video. Now come to the link what you got from your teacher through mail or WhatsApp from anywhere. Just click on that link. If you did not log in, it will ask you to log into your Google account. Enter your Gmail ID and click on next button. Enter your password and click on next button. If you log in, it will show you join class. When you click join class, it will redirect you to Google Classroom. After that, click on classwork. Now you will see the work given by your teacher. If different subject teachers have given works or assignment to you, then you go to the particular subject work or assignment and click on that. For example, I want to upload science notebook. So I will click this science notebook and click view assignment. Now you will see in the right side of the screen under your work in that add or create option. Click that add or create. You will see three main options: Google Drive, link and file. If you want to upload your assignment work from Google Drive, just click on Google Drive. If you are recently added your assignment work in Google Drive, you can see your file here. Just click on that file. At the bottom you will see insert option. Click on that. Your file uploading. You must click on turn in button. It will show pop-up box. Again turn in button. Successfully submitted your assignment work. If you want to unsubmit your assignment work, just click on unsubmit. Again unsubmit. Successfully unsubmitted your assignment work. If you want to share link of your assignment work from Google Drive, just click on Google Apps. At the top right, you will see Google Apps. Click on Google Apps. In that, click on Drive. Click on your assignment work file. Right click. Click on Get Link. You must select anyone with the link. Next, copy link. Click on Done. Come back to your main page. Click on Add or Create. Click on Link. Paste it here and add link. You must and should click on Turn In. You will get pop-up. Again click on Turn On. Your assignment successfully submitted. If you want to unsubmit your assignment, click on Unsubmit. Again unsubmit. Successfully unsubmitted. If you want to submit your assignment work from your computer, just click on add or create and click on file, click on browse, select your file, and open. You must click on turn in button, again click on turn in. Your assignment successfully submitted. If you want to unsubmit it, click on unsubmit, again unsubmit, successfully unsubmitted. I hope you all liked this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and share this video. Please subscribe my channel and activate bell icon.